Hello crazy coders, today we will make a random password generator using Python. For this we will make use of an inbuilt Python module random. I've already created a new Python file and named it randompassgen.py, and I've already added some comments. These will be the characters which we will include in our password. So first thing, let's import our module random, and after import I will declare a variable named pass length for fixing the character of the number of characters in the length password. So I will keep it 15. Now after this I want to store all these characters in particular variables. So I will first make a variable named alphabets, and alphabets underscore lowercase alphabets, and for nums we'll make it num. For numbers I will, and for special characters I will create another special class variable. I will store it in this. Now I'll remove this comments as they are of no use now. And now let's make another variable named alphabets upper, because uppercase is also important. And now I will use an inbuilt function for strings, which is alphabets word upper. What it basically does is it takes the string and uppercases all the letters. So now that's a time saving thing. So now after creating variables for each type of characters, now I will create a variable named possible chars, which will be the concatenation of all these variables. I mean, it's a combination, so it will be combined. So this way we have a variable which will have all the possible characters as a string. So now I want to declare a list name password, an empty list. So we will add each character randomly to this password, and then we'll convert into string. So first thing, I want to run a loop. I want to run a loop with range as pass length, which is 15 times. And now what I want is to generate a random character. For that I will create a variable named random char. Now I will use an inbuilt function which I can use a random dot choice, and I will pass possible characters. So this is a sequence, and what random dot choice does is it selects one character, one element from this entire characters combination which I did here. So now after selecting a random character, I will just append it, which is basically adding the character at the end of the list with the function append and value random char. So now our password has been generated after the loop execution of the loop is done. But now I want to convert the list to string. For that I will again assign password to a function we can use is join. We can create an this is an empty string, and I can use join and pass password, which is a list. Okay, till here it was a list, and now I created a variable with same name, and what we'll do this is join each element of this list with this character, and since it's empty there will be nothing in between, so everything will be joined together, every character will be joined together. Now I can just print it. Now to see the output I will use the command line of Windows. So now I will just type here Python and file name, So as you can see, we were able to generate a random password. You can make it in a lot of ways. This was my way. You can make it a little bit complex, and you can add difficulty level as just asking for an infinite generating infinite number of passwords like that, and you can alter the pass length variable as well. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you up in the next one.